Good morning, students. How you all are? Hope you all are well. And once again we are back with chapter 3 part 2, the black aeroplane. The chapter 3 was having two parts. The first part we had already seen in our first video lesson. That was part 1, his first flight. His was that a seagull's first flight. That was story of a seagull's first flight. And in today's class, stories about flying. Two stories about flying. We are doing the second part, the black aeroplane. Normally whenever I start a chapter, first I would like to introduce about the significance of the title. But this time the black aeroplane. This black aeroplane will be a mystery. We will start our chapter, and towards the concluding part of the chapter, we will able to understand that what is black aeroplane. This story is an experience which is written by Sir Frederick Frosty. Okay, students. So take your book and we will start our chapter. First paragraph. The moon was coming up in the east behind me, and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. I was happy to be there alone, high up above the sleeping countryside. So when the story begins, the narrator or pilot, he is in a plane, he is in an aeroplane, and he is just flying in a beautiful sky. He is saying that it was beautiful sky because it was a clear sky. एकदम साफ था, that means there were no clouds, and it was countryside. Countryside means basically थोड़ा city से बाहर है ना, outskirts of the city. So he was in countryside where he was enjoying his flight with seeing all the greeneries below him. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to be with my family. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. So when story starts, the time is 1:30. Okay, the time is 1:30, and he says that he was a person who was working in the France, and right now in a plane he was going to England, which was his hometown. So definitely आप लोग जब एक लंबे वेकेशन के बाद या फिर कुछ हॉलीडे के बाद आप लोग अपने घर जाते हैं, आप बहुत खुश होते हैं. In the same way, our narrator, our pilot, is very much happy, and he was very much happy to go to his hometown. He was very much happy to go to England and to see his family. So he was enjoying the clear sky, he was enjoying the weather, and the time was 1:30. Now we will start our second paragraph. I should call Paris control soon, I thought. As I looked down the past nose of the airplane, I saw the lights of big city in front of me. I switched on the radio and said, Paris control, Dakota DS-088. Here, can you hear me? I am on the way to England. Over. So basically, I know that you might be aware of all those things. That जैसे कि आप लोग ट्रेन में कहीं सफ़र करते हैं, तो आप लोग जब स्टेशन में एंटर करते हैं, उससे पहले आप देख सकते हैं कि एक छोटा सा कंट्रोल रूम रहता है. In that control room, a green signal is received by the train. Then only a train can enter the station. So in the same way, these aeroplanes are also controlled by a control room. So the narrator was flying, the pilot was flying, and he remembered that he was in a way to cross the Paris. So he thought that he will give the message to control room. So he switched on the radio and given the message, and here you can know that our pilot, our author, is going in Dakota 088 DS है ना. This was his flight number. जैसे कि यहाँ ट्रेन का एक नंबर होता है, in the same way the flights too have a number, and this was his Dakota's plane number. It was DS-088. So you can see here a peculiar way of giving the message to a radio by saying hello and finishing it with verb over. Now we will move to the third paragraph. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. DS-088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. DS088 over. In the same way, the reply was given with hello and finishing it by the over, and you can see that here that control room, the person sitting in the control room, operating the control room, is giving a message that he has to turn which degree and he has to move in which direction. Okay, so the narrator is right now very much comfortable. He contacted to the control room, he got the message, and now he is moving to the west direction, and he was very close to his home, England. I checked the map and compass. Compass is the instrument which indicates the direction. जो direction समझने के लिए instrument होता है. Switched over to my second and last fuel tank and turned Dakota's 12-degree west towards England. So here you can get two important information of the story. है ना? Two important information. Here you can see that the narrator is saying that he was having the last fuel tank. उसके पास last fuel tank था, and he turned towards the England, which was means the narrator is now very close to him. So he was not bothering about the last fuel tank, and he moved towards his home. He followed the direction which was given by the control room. I will be in time for breakfast. I thought a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. One more time I am repeating it. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. मतलब सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. It was very easy flight. Definitely if you are going to watch a movie, अगर वो मूवी बहुत easy going है तो हमको थोड़ा मजा नहीं आता. There should be some twist and something X factor should be in that movie. So in the same way, here one twist is going to come in the narrator. As narrator is saying that he had said that time it was morning 1:30 and narrator was moving towards his home. So अब narrator जो है बहुत sure था that by the time of breakfast he will be in his home, and definitely वो अपने घर का खाना खाने के लिए बहुत उत्सुक था. So he was very much eager that in the morning he will be in his home, he will be breakfast. Definitely it might happen with you कि आपकी मम्मी ने सुबह स्कूल में जाते वक्त बोल दिया कि in the evening she will prepare your favorite snacks, and throughout the school that all parents might be thinking about the special snack that you are going to get. So in the same way, our narrator is flying the flight, and he was thinking of the delicious breakfast which he is going to get in the morning in his home. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds. Okay, already I said that everything was easy going, so something came in front of it, and it was cloud. Storm cloud. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. I knew I could not fly up and over them. I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. So already we had seen that narrator said that that means that was his last fuel tank. But narrator was not bothered because the home was very nearby to him. So he can travel it within few minutes, and that fuel tank was sufficient for him. But now what happened, when he was 150 kilometers away from the Paris, he see a cloud which was black, huge, and a storm cloud. मतलब बहुत तूफानी रात होने वाली थी वो. So narrator was little bit scared because in front of him there was black clouds. Normally what happens when this flying objects or planes see the cloud, they used to move north or south, है ना, cloud के ऊपर या नीचे से वो क्रॉस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. But that also a pilot cannot do because he was having scarcity of fuel. That was his last fuel tank. So at that point of time, he was having two options. The first option was to jump into that black cloud, and second option was to go back to Paris. Can you guess that what option might have taken from the narrator? Just type the option. Means या तो वो उस क्लाउड की तरफ गया होगा कि वो पीछे पेरिस की तरफ चला गया होगा. Just type it in the your answer. Okay, we will continue. I ought to go back to Paris, I thought, but I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast. I will take the risk, I thought, and flew that old decanter straight into the storm. So we had already discussed that pilot was having two options. One was very safe, that he will go back to Paris. So our pilot, our hero, and normally heroes will they accept all the challenges. And here also we found that our pilot is accepting the challenge. वो अपना easy रास्ता पीछे जाने का नहीं select करता, but he directly jump towards the cloud. Now we will see that what is going to happen. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped twisted in the air. So the first sentence of this paragraph we will discuss it. What narrator is saying that it was black cloud. I jumped into it and I was not able to see anything. Everything was black. One more time I am repeating the sentence. It was black cloud. I jumped into it and then everything was black. It was black cloud. I jumped into it and everything was black. Look at this sentence. The word black is used two times. First time black cloud. That black indicates color. काले बादल है ना. Second time black is used with a different meaning. Can you guess that what is the meaning of black when it is used second time? Just give your answer in the comment box. This black means he was not able to see anything. Okay student, that the narrator says that when he jumped to that black cloud, he was not able to see anything. कई बार आप लोगों के साथ भी होता है, due to the fog or mist, you are not able to see what is in front of you. So in the same way, it happened with the narrator. So we were discussing that the narrator had jumped into that black cloud and everything becomes black in front of him, that he was not able to see anything clearly. Then as he had jumped in the stormy cloud, मतलब बहुत तूफानी टाइम था, बहुत रात था, so his plane started shivering, है ना. उसका plane जो है that was jumped and twisted. The word is used jump, that means to jump. Twisted मतलब थोड़ा jerk लेना. That means the plane started shivering, and even when he looked at his compass, I could not believe the eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. One more time I am repeating the sentence. When I looked into the compass, it was turning round and round and round. What does this sentence means? It means that it was not working properly. As we all know that compass is an instrument that is used to know the direction, है ना, कौन सा direction बताता था. But now what it was doing, it was moving round and round and round. So you can understand the problem. Suddenly so many problems came into our narrator's life, our pilot's life. First he saw a black cloud, then he jumped to that black cloud. Then he was not able to see anything clearly. Then his plane started shivering. Now he was not able to know the direction as the compass is not working. But still, some more problems are coming that narrator, that pilot has to face. It was dead. That means the compass was dead. It won't work. The other instruments were suddenly dead. Too, I was tried the radio. Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm. Then in the black cloud quite near me. So we can see that right now the narrator is surrounded by so many difficulties. है ना? If you just we will go to flashback, that everything was fine. In the morning 1:30, he was having a very comfortable flight. He was going towards his home. He was missing. He was just able to see the breakfast in his table. मतलब उसका ऐसा लग रहा था वो breakfast के बहुत पास है. Even the Paris control room had given him the direction, but suddenly a black cloud came in front of him. It was dark. It was huge. He jumped. He decided to jump to that cloud, then he was not able to see clearly, then the plane was shifting, the compass stopped working, now radio is not working, he was not able to send the signal. Everything was total black in front of him. Then suddenly something good happened in his life, in his time. I was lost in the storm, then in the black cloud quite near me. I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wing, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. I could see the pilot's face turned down towards me. I was very glad to see another person. He lifted one hand and waved. So now what happened? The narrator, the main problem that narrator was afraid that he was alone. You just take, I will take your example. Means you had planned to do some crime, some mysterious thing in the class. आपने क्लास में कुछ भी शरारत करने का सोचा. Definitely आप अकेले करेंगे ना तो आपको थोड़ा मजा कम आएगा और आपको थोड़ा डर भी लगेगा. But ये when you will get a crime partner with you, you will enjoy that fun. So here also you can see that narrator was feeling that he was all alone in that stormy cloud. He was not able to see anything. He was not able to see anything. Total darkness was there. But now narrator sees that one more aeroplane comes towards him, and the narrator was not able to see the number of that plane. So narrator, हर एक plane का एक unique number होता है. That narrator was not able to remember not able to see the number of that other plane. Do you remember what was the number of our narrator's plane? Dakota, उसका number क्या था? Just mention it in the comment box. What was the number of that narrator's plane? Okay, correct. So anyhow, the narrator was not able to see the number of that plane. So he names it as a black aeroplane. है ना? So here comes the meaning of the title. So as narrator is not able to see the number of that plane, that's why he names that plane as black aeroplane. And when narrator looked at the window of that pilot's seat, he found one pilot was there. And pilot had waved his hand. Waved his hand मतलब अपना हाथ हिलाता है. Actually, it was an indication, है ना? Although as both the planes were near to each other, but anyhow in that condition they cannot communicate. So the pilot in that black aeroplane, he waved his hand. That means you just follow me. आप मुझे follow करो. So anyhow the narrator was very much worried, and he got a companion with him. Follow me, he was saying. Follow me. He knows that I am lost. I thought he is trying to help me. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. So basically, even it happens with you, means you plan with your friend that आज हम किसी के घर जाएंगे, और आपको अगर उसका रास्ता नहीं पता होगा तो क्या होता है, वो जो आपके सामने रहता है, he will be in front of you, he will be showing you the way, and you will be following him. So here also our narrator, our pilot is saying that as he was just totally lost in that stormy cloud, so what he did, he decided that he will follow the strange aeroplane, the black aeroplane, like an obedient child. So हमने देखा कि जो narrator था वो एक point of time में एक अजीब सा डिसीजन लेता है कि he will jump to that black cloud. He was very much courageous, he was very much bold, but right now our pilot is little bit afraid, and what he did, he is not having confidence, so he became an obedient child. वो एक अच्छा बच्चा बन जाता है ना, वो आप कुछ मिस्टीरियस और बहुत एडवेंचरस उसको लाइफ में कुछ नहीं चाहिए. ही इज एन ओबीडिएंट चाइल्ड, एंड वो उसको फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे कि आप भी कई बार देखे होंगे जो ओबीडिएंट बच्चे होते हैं, छोटे बच्चे, वो अपने पेरेंट्स का हाथ होल्ड करके दे होल्ड द आर्म्स ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स एंड दे विल गो विद देम. So just like that, here that narrator pilot is following the black aeroplane. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in the front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go beyond the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. After half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me in the cloud. Now there was enough fuel in the old Dakota last time to fly for 5 to 10 minutes more. I was starting to feel frightened again, but then it started to go down and I followed through the storm. So if you just remember the sequence, in the beginning of story, narrator was very free, he was easygoing, then suddenly he sees a black cloud, he decides to jump into it, then so many things happened that his instruments not working, he was not able to see, he lost his way and he was frightened. वो बहुत डर गया था. Then he saw a black aeroplane and he started following that black aeroplane. उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए अच्छा फील हो रहा था कि उसको शायद कोई बचाने वाला मिल गया है. But now again we see that our pilot, our author, is little bit frightened. The reason was that was the last batch of fuel tank. Means उसके पास अब इतना ही fuel बचा था कि hardly he can fly for 5 to 10 minutes. So again he was little bit frightened. But anyhow he was just following that black aeroplane. And at the same time the narrator is very much frightened because the maximum that plane can fly is 5 to 10 minutes. Suddenly I come out of the cloud and saw 2 long straight lines of light in front of me. One more time I am reading. Suddenly I come out of the clouds and saw 2 long straight lines of light in front of me. It was runway and airport. I was safe. So basically normally this plane land in a runway, है ना, plane जहाँ पे land करता है, that space is called runway. It was having lights in both of the sides. Normally because in the night time you cannot see that white strips which were made in the roads or something. But for the night vision the lights were drawn on both sides. So now narrator is very much feeling safe, feeling very much relaxed कि वो उस black stormy cloud से निकल चुका है. He is away from that black stormy cloud and he was moving towards the safe place he is going to land, and he is now moving towards runway. So again our narrator, our pilot is feeling safe, feeling relaxed. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. So when the narrator had landed, he was wanted to see the pilot of black aeroplane. Can you give the reason why narrator want to see the pilot of this black aeroplane? What was the reason he want to see the pilot? Personally, he wanted to meet the pilot. Because he wanted to thank him. Because he wanted to thank the pilot in black aeroplane. But when he tried to see the black aeroplane, he was not able to see that black aeroplane. The plane had not landed in the runway. The plane was not in the sky because sky is empty. So even the pilot is puzzled that where is that black aeroplane which helped him to get out of the storm. The narrator had followed the black aeroplane, and when he landed, that plane was not there. So anyhow we will see that where this black aeroplane had gone. I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. If you remember that in the first paragraph, the narrator is found of that black Dakota, sorry not black, that old Dakota plane, है ना? Narrator बोलता है कि वो old Dakota plane is something very precious to me. I was flying it for a long time and so and so. But now narrator is saying that when I am moving out of this Dakota plane, I am not feeling any sorry. Not feeling any sorry मतलब इस plane को अब छोड़ते हुए मुझे बिल्कुल भी बुरा नहीं लग रहा है. Definitely you know the reason, because of this plane the narrator means with this plane narrator jumped into that black stormy cloud and so much problem was created in that time. So while he had landed that plane and he is moving out of that plane, he is saying that कि अब उसे छुटकारा पाके मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I am not feeling any sorry for departing from you. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. As even narrator is not sure that in which runway he had landed, so he is inquiring that where I was, you know. And second thing he is asking about the black aeroplane. That where is this black aeroplane? From where this black aeroplane was flying? Who was the pilot of that black aeroplane? So much question our pilot is asking. And now we will see that where is this black aeroplane and who was the pilot in the black aeroplane. She looked at me very strangely and then laughed. You know, means when the pilot asked the question that where is this black aeroplane, at that time the woman in the control room, you can see here in this picture, you know, she is looking at the pilot, she is puzzled and she is laughing. तो थोड़ा हंसती है, she is laughing. We will see that why she is puzzled and why she is laughing. Another aeroplane up there in this dome. No other aeroplane were flying tonight. Yours was only one I could see on the radar. What this woman is saying that basically what happened, this radar is an instrument, means the control, in every control room they have a radar. This radar covers a wide area, and if any flying object, any plane is entering that area, so this radar will catch signal and they can see it in their screen. Okay, understood what is radar? So what happened here when the pilot is asking that where is this black aeroplane, at that time the woman is saying that in this stormy night with the black clouds, there were only one plane which was flying. It was Dakota, and our pilot who was the hero, he is the pilot, and there were no other aeroplane. Even there is no black aeroplane. This was a statement given by the woman. Okay. Now we are going to read the concluding paragraph of this chapter. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tank? Who was the pilot on strange black aeroplane flying in storm without light? So this chapters end with a question mark. So many questions, है ना? That if the woman is saying that there was no aeroplane, then where was the black aeroplane to which the pilot had followed? Where is the pilot who was flying this aeroplane? How narrator was able to move from that black cloud? How narrator without any fuel or with that fuel he reached to a safe place? So many questions was in front of pilot and he was not able to answer any. Can you guess that who is this black aeroplane and who is the, sorry, not who is the pilot of this black aeroplane and where that black aeroplane had gone? I will wait, I will pause for a minute, you just mention it, try to write in that comment box that who is the pilot of this black aeroplane. Who is the pilot of this black aeroplane? I want to answer from your side. Actually, it was pilot's willpower. वो pilot का willpower था, एक strong determination. We had seen that pilot is in one such condition where he can move back to France. अब वो safe Paris की तरफ जा सकता था. But the narrator was a very person with strong willpower, बहुत strong इच्छा शक्ति थी. So he jumped to the black cloud and this had saved his life. उसके अंदर में विल पावर था, तो उसको खुद से एक ब्लैक एरोप्लेन देखा, वो उसको फॉलो किया एंड ही रीच्ड टू अ सेफ प्लेस. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग अ वर्क, you should have, you must have, you should have, you must have a strong willpower, and this strong willpower will always help you to make yourself safe from all the problem. Means अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैथ्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट, you will not able to tackle it and you start preparing for it. अगर आपका सब आप मान लेते कि no, I will solve all the questions of maths, you will get the means a strong determination. This willpower will give you good marks. So try to develop good willpower so that you will be safe from all the worst conditions in the life. So student, this chapter is over. You can write the word meanings and you have to write the question answers in your class or copy. Okay students, thank you.